Peerless Inc. and REOTEMP Instruments present a webinar on thermocouples and RTDs.
Today, we're going to talk about thermocouples and RTDs, why you would choose one flavor over another. How does a thermocouple work? What is it? It consists of two dissimilar metals. Two different wires come down and they're going to be welded together. And when you do that, you create what's called a hot junction. So this is where you're actually going to read your temperatures. An RTD is a resistance temperature detector. So it's a very small chip is at the end of two different lead wires that are going to come off it. In terms of choosing what type of thermocouple is a good choice for your process, first question you're going to ask yourself is, what's my process temperature? Each type of thermocouple is going to have a different temperature range. You probably have seen 100 ohm versus 1000 ohm. Say 95% of the time, you're going to have a 100 ohm RTD. And that's going to give you good solid accuracy and work for your most applications.
If you like what you saw, check out the full video on our website found through the link in the description below. You can also browse through the videos on our YouTube channel, where you can find all the past recordings of our webinar series.